How do you grow a Facebook group's membership starting out? I feel like not many people want to join a group that doesn't have a lot of members. Okay, you're correct in that, and that's why it's difficult to grow a group in the beginning. I just crossed the lawyer marketing group. We just crossed 1,400 members a couple days ago, and it's been very difficult because lawyers just don't want to join marketing groups. So I've had to really over deliver and provide a ton of value and all types of stuff just to make sure that I'm actually that I create a group that people want. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to start with the title. The title needs to be something where people can kind of identify themselves, like self-identify. So like lawyer marketing, or parents of teen drivers, or motorcycle riders, or immigrants living in Los Angeles, or whatever your practice area is. You want to make sure that your group is basically talking, or not your practice area. You want to figure out who are the types of people that we're trying to reach, that we're trying to serve. And what is it that they want, and can we self-identify? Because, for example, like if you're trying to do immigration, right? If you're an immigration attorney and you're trying to do a group, if you just do like the immigration law Facebook group, most people are not necessarily going to join. But if you do something like Russians who live in Las Vegas, that's something that people will join. Same thing like the car accident group, right? Nobody's going to join the car accident Facebook group because people don't want to think about themselves being in car accidents, right? But they will join the Uber drivers, Uber Drivers United group, or the Parents of Teen Drivers group, or the, FedEx drivers group, or Uber Lyft Drivers Unite, however you can self-identify, because at the end of the day, you've got to think, what's in it for me? And not for you, but you've got to think that the person that is sitting there clicking, getting ready to join a group, they're thinking in their head, what's in it for me? If it's just a group about car accidents, I've never been in a car accident, knock on wood. I've never been in a car accident, so I don't need to join a car accident group. And I particularly don't care because I don't really like car accident attorneys. That's what they're thinking, right? So you need to basically give them a reason to want to join the group. It's got to be a title that kind of is enticing. Rideshare Drivers United, or Parents of Teen Drivers, or FSU alumni. I don't know exactly what it is. You just got to figure out what your unifying cause is going to be. We have a group down here in Lakeland that's the 863 Crime Watch group. What's cool about it is that the unifying thing is 863 is the area code down here, and it's kind of like a neighborhood watch type style group. So that's one thing, is that the group has to be good. Now, the way that I grew my Facebook group is I ran paid ads, and I didn't run paid ads for the Facebook group. What I did is I ran paid ads for a cheat sheet. The cheat sheet was called 3 Secrets to Getting More Law Firm Clients Without Losing Time and Money or Getting Screwed by a Marketing Company. And then what would happen is they enter their email address, and then they click submit. Once they enter their email address, an email is sent to them that has the download link for the cheat sheet, and they are taken to a thank you page. The thank you page then says, thank you, your cheat sheet has been emailed to you. Your next step is to join the law firm marketing Facebook group, or the lawyer marketing Facebook group. And then what happens is there's a button that takes them right there, and they click and they subscribe. So it was a little bit of a slower climb at first, just because of the fact that there wasn't a lot of people in there. It's kind of like nothing attracts a crowd like a crowd. So what I basically did is every single day I follow up. Like, as anyone who's on my email list knows, that you get another email from me every single day, pretty much for the rest of your life. So in the footer of every single email, most people didn't join, and still most people haven't joined. I've got 1,400 in my group. I've got 10,000 on my email list. So what is that? Like 14% have actually joined the Facebook group, and I'm fine with that, because my Facebook group is not my entire strategy. Facebook group is one place that is very valuable for me, and a lot of people get a lot of stuff out of there. But like I said, it's only 14% of the people that follow me on a regular basis are actually in the Facebook group, which kind of blows my mind. But it is what it is. I've got in the footer of my emails, in the footer in my YouTube description, on my LinkedIn profile, everywhere I have it, it says join the lawyer marketing Facebook group, and that's how it grows pretty quickly. I don't spend any money specifically to grow the group, but I do spend money and to run ads to things that will eventually point people to the Facebook group. So that's kind of how you do it. It's a little bit of a mishmash of everything. But my philosophy is everything I have points everyone everywhere. So if you're on my YouTube channel, I'm going to push you to my Facebook page and my podcast and my email list. And what else do I have? A lot of different stuff. And then if you're in my Facebook group, I'm going to push you to the YouTube page. I'm going to push you to Instagram. I'm going to push you to Facebook. I'm going to push you to LinkedIn. I'm going to push you all these different places. So that's kind of it. Everything kind of pushes everything everywhere.